An extreme swing from heatwave conditions to almost back into winter by next week, Monday, for Johannesburg. Look at this contrast in temperatures: 33 on Friday compared to only 9 degrees on Monday. This is a sign of relief to come, and finally rain reaching the high veld. So let's look at your Friday forecast. It's the last day of heatwave conditions for northwest Gauteng as well as parts of the Bushveld. We have a cold front sliding over the southwestern areas, bringing cooler conditions and showers for the western as well as the southern Cape, with thunderstorms expected to develop ahead of that front over the central areas of South Africa. A southwesterly wind blowing fresh between East London and Durban, a northeasterly wind strong at times in Richards Bay. Winds also picking up over the interior of South Africa, and due to the extreme heat, dry conditions and windy weather, the Weather Service warning against runaway fires. Scattered showers expected on Friday here over the southern areas of South Africa, isolated in Cape Town, parts of the Karoo and the Eastern Cape. Isolated storms expected to bubble up later over northwest, stretching over the Free State, becoming scattered over Lesotho, then northeastern areas of the Eastern Cape, as well as in the vicinity of Kokstad in KwaZulu-Natal. Isolated storms likely over the rest of the province and spreading along the eastern escarpment. It's a cloudy and cool day for the Western Cape, with an onshore flow and light showers expected in Cape Town, and most of the rain falling here in parts of the Overberg, as well as along the southern coastline, with a southwesterly wind blowing, bringing in more cloud and light rain for the garden route. Temperatures only around 20 degrees. Mid-20s expected in parts of the Karoo on a Friday. And then ahead of that front, isolated thunderstorms expected to bubble up here and there in parts of the Eastern Cape, actually becoming scattered over the extreme northeastern areas near Matatiel, as well as the southern Drakensberg, with a southwesterly wind blowing fresh between East London and Durban on Friday. Fresh to strong northeasterly winds for Richards Bay. Thunderstorms expected near Kokstad, and extreme heat over the northern areas as well as the low velds of Limpopo. Therefore, isolated heat-induced thunderstorms also likely from the afternoon. It's going to be a sunny and uncomfortably hot day for Limpopo, sizzling in the low veld with temperatures in the upper 30s and close to 40 degrees in the Bushveld during heatwave conditions. It's also extremely hot yet again in northwest. Stay hydrated, drink enough water. Please do not leave your kids and pets unattended in a hot car. It's only by late afternoon isolated storms will bring some relief to the western areas. In the Northern Cape, the wind picking up, therefore the Weather Service warning against runaway fires. And due to the extreme heat, a few thunderstorms likely over the eastern areas. Quickly heating up in the Free State, mid-30s over the interior, with a 30% chance of thunderstorms bubbling up here and there. It's the last day of heatwave conditions baking Gauteng, mid-30s the afternoon, becoming partly cloudy with unfortunately no rain expected. Here's your weekend weather forecast, or I would rather say Springbok Saturday braai weather. It is quite cloudy and rainy here along the southern coastline, parts of the Eastern Cape. Much cooler conditions, showers also moving over KwaZulu-Natal. But there's actually enough time to braai before the game over northeastern South Africa. A few storms only likely later over northwest and the Free State. Comfortable conditions in Gauteng. Later the wind picking up a little bit with isolated storms possible only into the evening. It's by Sunday we've got a cut-off low weather system that's strengthening over the interior of South Africa. We can see the bands of rain and thunderstorms spreading over the northeastern areas of South Africa. Sunny and dry in the west. Well, that's all from me. And remember, no matter the weather, we're in this together.